guys, it's Cassie and today I have an unboxing slash haul for you. I recently passed through Charles de Gaulle Airport in Paris and could not pass up a good duty-free moment, you know me. Picked up some things for my mum primarily, and then I got just a little something, but I thought that I would unbox all for you for your viewing pleasure. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie and I am a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to love it here, so head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Okay, let's go. Hello, Editing Cassie here. Did just want to bring attention to something that will inevitably catch your attention throughout this video, which is a massive knot that I have in my hair. Because, let me tell you a quick story. So, you know at the back of the hairdryer, it sucks in the air that then heats the air that then dries your hair. Yeah, well, a bit of my hair got sucked into that grill and knotted it to no end. To be honest with you, that piece of hair I did have to cut out. So not to worry, you won't be seeing that anymore, but did just want to call that out because it's very obvious and distracting. Anyway, hope that you can look past that and enjoy the goodies of this video. Thank you so much. And now this is caught in my hair. What a mess, what a mess. I'm going to start with Chanel. We have two brands here, Chanel and Hermes. Once I saw the pictures of this, what is it? Fall Winter 2021 part 1. Once all those pictures dropped, I had to send 2 items specifically to my mum, and I was like, you need these. Don't at me. You know the vibes I'm talking about. This is very you, very classic, timeless, blah, 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 all of that business, and she agreed. I literally just called up the Chanel at Charles de Gaulle, made contact with this lovely, lovely sales associate who basically transferred pieces in if they weren't in. He was like, don't worry, I can transfer it anywhere within the EU. He transferred these 2 pieces in for me, and they were waiting for me, ready, and there was like a little gift and a little card. It was very sweet, very amazing. So shout out to him. He just did a fantastic job. So, the piece that I was like, Mum, you must. My mum is a classics woman, okay? She does love a good seasonal moment, but this is just far too special. So, this is a classic flap. However, it is not just any classic flap. By the way, if you didn't know about duty-free and everything, if you're taking the item outside of the EU, you don't pay the tax of that country, so it was 13%. So it was Chanel Euro prices minus 13%. I will tell you the prices of everything as well so that you can see the deals, basically. This is the small size, and she is the classic flap with the rose gold hardware. It is stunning. And you know that I don't really jump for classic flaps. I love them and I see the beauty in them, just not for me at the moment. Like, it doesn't spark inside like some of the other seasonal pieces do. But this is so, so magical. I need you to see how glorious that rose gold is. Because it's a classic flap, super classic, all of that business. But the rose gold just makes it that bit more special. I will let my mum do the honours of removing the blue stickers and everything like that. I won't jump the gun for her. Shimmy you out here. There we go. It is a double flap, again, like I said, the small size. I believe that this is actually factory fresh, I was told, which is fabulous. I mean, just like, obviously all the details that you expect to see in there, except the rose solid gold. What? It gives that special edition, limited edition moment. Happy to inherit when the day comes. I'm not wishing death upon my mother, don't worry. I'm just saying, when it does happen, I shall gladly accept. So this is in lambskin. I've got to be a little bit careful with scratches and whatnot, but I'm sure that my mother will make very good use of her. This is really where I excel in I know that like a lot of you are like, oh my gosh, you're a bad influence, you made me buy X, Y, and Z. Well, don't worry, because not only am I also a bad influence on myself, but on my mother. But guess what? I mean, they're amazing bad influences. But anyway, now, I don't know if you guys know this, some of you will, but now when you buy a classic flap, it comes with, they like register it online, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. And it's basically like, should anything happen in those 5 years, wear and tear, all of that, they'll fix it for you for free and everything. Here's the thing, should they be doing that anyway because of like luxury brands and you buy things to stand the test of time and everything else? Yes, but they're doing it now. And then you also get this booklet, the Chanel Iconic. I don't know if that's like, are they just calling it the Chanel Iconic now and not the classic flap? And you get a booklet all about the ins and outs, savoir-faire, what did it say, how it's made. If you wanted to read anything about it, some lovely pictures in there, a quote or two. So it's called the 11.12. I'm sorry, is this the first time we're hearing this? I thought it was classic flap, like you're calling it the Iconic and it's the 11.12? Okay. I've been told lies. What is this? Okay, so that is that. Okay, so the bag, full price, was €6,300. VAT free, tax free, was €5,481. Okay, so the saving is huge. The other thing from Chanel that I was like, Mum, and you know that she loves these. If you watch my videos, if you're a seasoned subscriber, then you know that as soon as I saw these, I was like, my mum needs these. She saw them, she was like, yes, I do need these. And these are the... By the way, I asked for these things without the box because, you know, airport, all that business, we're dealing with limited space, okay? These are the Wedge, what are they called? I'm just going to call them the Wedge Dad Sandals. They are like a flat-formy kind of, this is in the gross grain, I believe, is the material. It's like a ribbed fabric there with, you've then got Diamante all over the Chanel and the CC here and a little sparkly CC at the back there. I just love, do you want to know what? So these only come in full sizes. They don't come in half sizes. My mum is usually a 38.5. But I actually did not, damn it, that velvet there. Nice little velvet bedding. Oh, I could get into these if I tried. So this one actually comes in 2 heights. This one in the gross grain or whatever it is. And this is the higher of the 2 heights. These are crazily comfortable, I'm not going to lie to you. They're not too daddy, they're a little bit hefty, but they are not too dad sandally. Yeah, these are nice. I know that some people find them ugly and whatever, and yeah, fair enough, like I see where you're coming from, but at the same time, like, I see the cuteness in these very much so. So, they're fabulous. I'm sure that she'll be flexing in these during the holiday and whatnot. So the shoes ended up being €1,300 tax-free. So both of those pieces together saved €1,000 being tax-free, which is fantastic. Moving on to Hermes. There was a little bit too much behind the throat there. Hermes. Not sure. Okay, so these I actually haven't seen, but my mum picked these up. She went through a different airport than I did, so she picked these up from, forgive me, is it Schiphol? Is it Schiphol of Amsterdam? Help me, Dutch speakers. Okay, so Mum has been looking for a pair of trainers for a while now. She basically has like a very old, tattered Chanel pair that they've been past the point of death. Can't salvage them, they're just, no reconditioning can help those shoes, okay? So finally, she was like, I need a new pair of shoes. And she has decided to go for these sneakers. They are all white leather. You've got the orange Hermes stitching. A little bit of a platform. She loves a platform. She's a short queen. Mum, how tall are you? How tall are you? 5'3.5". That half is very important to her. Orange inside, just very classic, simple, goes with everything vibe. Like that padded tongue there. Nice little bit of comfort. So there we go. What size did she get these in? Because then I'll be able to tell you if they are true to size or not. Oh, so she ended up getting a 37, so a whole size down. Yeah, so keep that in mind if you like these, if you like the look of them. So there you go. Nice pair of clean white sneaks for her to roam around doing her bad thing. Okay, so now the thing that I got. Okay, if you watch that vlog, I saw a crazy range of Chanel belts that I've never seen in Chanel before. Like, they have like 2 belts out and they're like, good luck to you, you know? I've never seen that many, like, normal belts, not chain belts. Belts that you would wear with jeans and whatever. I fell in love with one of them. Guess what? Didn't have my sodding size, did they? No, of course they didn't. Of course they didn't. However, I was on the hunt for a belt, okay? While I was shopping. I was actually on the hunt for a cosmetics bag and a belt. Louis Vuitton did not have the Nice BB that I was after, and then Chanel didn't have my size in the belt. I wasn't expecting to buy a belt from Hermes, to be very honest with you, but things happen, and I ended up with one. And may I just say, a hell of a lot cheaper than an Hermes belt that I got years ago, okay? Because I remember that being like 700-ish pounds. So this is the belt kit. So you have to buy the leather of the belt and the buckle together. You can buy extra leathers of the belt, but you can't buy the buckle by itself. I believe this is the way. Now, I didn't want your normal big ass H, all that business, because I'm trying to do a little bit more low key with the belts, because a lot of the rest of my looks are quite loud, that I don't want to be like, and also there is a logo in the middle of my waist, you know? It was actually the buckle that I saw that I was like, hold on a second, I think I need this belt. Also, the colour of, shush Cassie, shush, just let them see. Let me show you the belt colour first. Okay, I don't care if you're sick of me in the green. I really don't, because this green is absolutely glorious. This is green screen green. This is your Bottega green. I saw it and I was like, yep, that's the colour I want. And then on the flip side, it's black. So we can do a subtle, you know, everyday plain leather black moment with the buckle that I'm going to show you. Or guess what? Okay, let's add a little bit of pizzazz. Let's add a moment. Let's add a green screen green right in the middle of the sodding look, you know? This is Togo leather, I believe, on that side. Then let's move on to the buckle, because again, like I said, I wanted something a little bit more subtle, not that big H, even though there was a nice one in a rose gold, but do we see her? She is gold. And she's a subtle H, but she's also like a horse bit. Look at that. Just look how it pops against the green. So the price of this belt, altogether everything, minus the VAT, was 558 euros, which I was like, okay, you don't have to tell me twice. Yes, please. Let me show you what it looks like against the black as well. These belt kits are super easy to put together. Pop it through that one. Reverse. But the name down, flip it and reverse it. It's your Missy Elliott, thank you for your service. And there we go, against the black. Looks amazing. Versatility, 2-in-1. Get you a girl that can do both, and she's giving us both. Guys, let me know what you thought of these items. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. And in the words of my father...
If you like it, tell your friends. If you don't, keep your mouth shut.
I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.